Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. We are from Kota Tinggi Science School. On this great day, we are going to present to you about our innovation product which is Ingenious Face Shield. The first thing we need to understand is the current status that our world is now experiencing a catastrophe which is the spread of corona disease. Therefore, the World Health Organization has issued an advice to the government around the world to require the use of face masks as a main safety precaution. It is because wearing masks is an effective way to prevent the spread of the infection, since the virus are infected through our respiratory system.
Consequently, the individual temperature checking process has been considered as troublesome for people to flew or move everywhere. Meanwhile, many people disobey the standard operating procedure SOP to keep their social distance. On the other hand, the use of a regular face mask also can contribute to the spread of the virus if it is not disposed of according to the proper procedure. If the three-ply face mask is not disposed properly, the virus can be spreaded and form a new cluster of cases and cause the infection to grow bigger. Last but not least, the use of a three-ply face mask can cause pollution to our environment because it has to be replaced every 6 to 8 hours. The regular face mask takes a long time to be disposed of and destroyed. These issues have been troublesome to most environmentalists as it can harm marine life and the wildlife habitat if the amount of waste increases from time to time.
Our main objectives are to increase the safety level in the crowd by increasing efficiency of standard operating procedure SOP, focusing on social distancing. Second, we want to reduce the pollution towards the environment caused by three-ply face masks.
Our methodology started with brainstorming and project implementation. After we came up with the idea of this ingenious face shield, we did some research and designing. After that, we compare and buy the items needed. Then, we started to develop the circuit and the code. We arranged all the components and last but not least, we refined the product. The task for each team member was assigned according to their skills.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi. Now, let us explain to you how our ingenious face shield is functioning. First of all, this is the circuit of our product. As we turn on the battery, it will function as the power supply to our microcontroller Arduino Nano to turn on. Our circuit is equipped with the non-contact infrared temperature sensor, which functions to give an input on the body temperature to the microcontroller. The Arduino Nano will then process the input and give out an output which appear on the LCD display and LED. The LED is function as our indicator. If the body temperature is less than 37.5 degrees Celsius, the green LED will light up, while if the body temperature is more than 37.5 degrees Celsius, the red LED will light up, showing that person have fever symptom. So, this is how Ingenious Face Shield works.
To ensure that this product meets our requirements, we conducted 3 tests upon this product, which is visibility test, mass test, and consistency test. For visibility test, from a distance of 0.5 meters until it reached 1.5 meters distance, the LCD display and the LED still can be seen clearly. It shows that this face shield is suitable to be worn in the crowds or around people with a close range without any problem. As for the mass test, we weighed the components at the front side of this product and obtained 85.8 grams. Based on the result, we believe that this product can still be bearable and comfortable to be worn around our head. We also did the consistency test. We had taken the infrared reading at 30 seconds interval for 2 minutes, and the average value obtained by this test was 36.4 degrees Celsius, which is the normal range temperature of the human body. So, without any hesitation, let me introduce you to the list of our chosen materials that we use to make this product. First of all, the use of infrared temperature sensors is to detect the body temperature of a person. Secondly, we choose Arduino Nano as the microcontroller of our system. We use LCD display 16x2 I2C as our temperature display. Next, the function of LED is to represent the range of body temperature, whether it is safe or not. Then, we choose rechargeable battery as the power supply. Finally, the face shield mask is used as our face protective equipment. Therefore, our selling price of this product is 95 ringgit Malaysia.
Our marketing potential is for the overall community. The design is not too outrageous and it's such a simple wear. It suits to be used everywhere, mainly the crowd places like restaurants, school, or mall. On the other hand, we would like to take this great chance to help the world to face the coronavirus since we don't know when the pandemic will end. Lastly, this simple project uses such a modern technology which is rarely seen in the market.
Our Ingenious face shield is able to detect the human body temperature, which could give a warning towards the surrounding people. After that, it is an environmental friendly product because the plastic of the face shield mask can be reused many times. On the other hand, this project is safe to be used as the circuit and wiring has been covered and not directly touch the head. Furthermore, we want to make the price of our product is affordable for the community. For all those reasons, it shows that this product can be taken as a daily use product and increase the compliance towards the standard operating procedures. Focusing on the social distancing, face mask wearing, and temperature checking.
In conclusion, the presence of a temperature sensor to be combined with the face shield mask not only helps the medical officer to make a temperature check-up for those stubborn people, but also helps the community to be more careful towards their surrounding people. The more this ingenious face shield mask used by the society, the easier the detection of fever as the main symptom of COVID-19. Finally, our product is able to reduce the pollution caused by 3-ply face masks.